Well, this area here, this was an old astro-turf path. It had been down a number of years. It was starting to get old, slippery with the trees and the leaves. We did have it cleaned a couple of times by a firm, come in and cleaned it. Still no joy. This was a very low-lying area. It always flooded, and that was the reason we put the astro-turf in, raised it up out of the ground. But as the astro-turf got old, we needed to replace. So we've taken the astro-turf away. We dug out the hardcore that the astro-turf was sitting on, and we stripped the turf either side to make it a wide path, and we brought in our own compost mix and rotivated it all into the existing ground, but higher up than it initially was. And we firmed it all down and seeded it, and this is our result. And this is about 8 weeks of work, and this is a much better. The review from the golfers, they love it. They don't like the astro-turf paths, and we haven't got any more on the golf course now. They've all gone. We are over the moon. We cut it once with the fly mow. That was about 3 weeks ago, but every week after that we've been cutting it with the Toro 4300, 1.25 inch. And the more we've cut it, the more it's thickened up. So the height we can see now, that's 1.25 inch, and it will stay at that height now.